Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of the vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle, and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then, release and remove the upper ball joint on the stabilizer link bar. Insert a 17mm spanner behind the tie rod bracket and loosen the nut with a 16mm spanner. Break the rotation of the ball joint with a 17mm spanner and remove the nut using a 16mm spanner. Remove the nut. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut, and then the sway bar link.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Put it into the upper housing. Reinstall the brake hose retainer. Start to screw the nut in a little. Then insert the lower part. Insert a 15mm spanner behind the tie rod bracket and tighten the nut using another 15mm spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Tighten the nuts with a torque spanner. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.